Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck for your daily energies and few cards for your love energies from the other deck, guys. And I'll be picking one card for your oracle guidance. Ace of Swords, Two of Pentacles in reverse. One more card, guys. It's Knight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that for your general energies, guys, this may relate to your work situation or your personal life. So some kind of new beginning, something your efforts has given you, some completion of your efforts, or something which you have achieved with great efforts, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing the truth in some situation, maybe in your career or in your personal life. You may be seeing the truth in certain situation, maybe about some people or about some situation, and you are getting clarity, guys. That is what I see. Something which you never expected, something which you were thinking otherwise, you are getting clarity and understanding. In some situation which was troubling you really, so some kind of understanding is coming today. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, because of this learning of some kind of truth, maybe there may be delays or some kind of interruption in your work, or it may be something is getting interrupted in your personal life because of this truth or understanding that you are getting today. That is what I see here, guys. And also maybe for some of you all, in your relationship or in your work situation, some important communication is reaching you, guys. Maybe in writing, it may be, if it is something work related, it may be some kind of maybe some regarding some projects, or it may be written documentation of something, some agreements or collaborations, you may be signing it, or some letters or messages, if it is something with your personal life, some communication in written form is reaching you, Capricorn. That is what I see here. Maybe for some of you all, it may be something good, or maybe for some of you all, it may be something bad. With the previous cards, we saw that you may be learning some truth about some situation, guys. So some knowledge may, you may learn something about somebody, and you may have the truth about that person or that situation, guys. So it may lead to something good or something bad, we do not know here. But with these cards, guys, that is what I see here. So it may be a good news, or it may be a bad news about that person or about that situation you are coming to know today, guys. Let us see what comes with these cards. We'll be picking more cards for your love energies, Capricorn. Let's see what's coming with these cards here. Fox, Ship, Letter. So again a letter. Maybe, guys, maybe you are in your relationship, maybe you are not moving from your past. Maybe from your past experiences, you would have felt so much hurt, and you have some unresolved issues in your past, guys. You need to let go of your past. That is what I see here, and move towards what new things are coming in your life. Maybe there is a person approaching you, so you need to be open to that new relationship. Only then you will experience that love and happiness again, guys. So maybe for some of y'all, in your past there would have been a person with whom you would have got deceived, or that person would have used you for their personal happiness and not for you. That true love was not there, and that may be the reason for this hurt and this resentment, and you are blocking everything. You are blocking everybody in your life today. Maybe other people who are interested in you, they may be approaching you, but you are blocking them because of your past. So you need to let go of your past and venture out of your self-imposed rules, or some kind of what to say, limitations for yourself. So these self-imposed limitations you should let go. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you may be getting some important communication, guys, just like we saw with the previous card. So it may be something with your personal life. Maybe someone new is communicating their love towards you through some emails or messages, guys, or it may be some love letters or greetings. Something is happy, something happy is coming your way, but all you need to do is let go of your past hurt and look for that what is there right in front of you. Live in the present. When you do that, you will be able to enjoy that happiness right now at this present moment. When you forget the past, when we overcome all that hurtful feelings and sadness of the past. So that is what these cards are about, guys. Let us see what is your oracle's guidance. I'll be randomly picking up one card for you guys. So this card may relate to your situation, guys. This is the oracle's guidance. So what is the card? Let us see. Poised. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all, it may be in your relationship, or it may be in your career situation. It may relate either way, guys. So what you need to do, so these oracle cards may or may not relate to your present situation, but it will be something like an advice to you, something you can do to make things better. That is what I see here, guys. That is what these cards are about. So with this card, the energy is that in your relationship, you are what you are right now, guys. So you need not do anything to prove yourself. Whatever you are, you are. So in your relationships or in your friendships, you will be what to say, when you allow that other person to relate to the true person you are, maybe what you have, being that open-minded person, and when you are ready to give and take from your heart, so you need not prove anything to that other person. That person themselves, they will know what you are in truth when you are not hiding anything from them. So a very apt card here, guys. With the previous cards, we saw that you have to let go of your past hurt. So whatever you are, that happiness, that hurt, that sadness, whatever that is there in your heart, when you open that to the other person, when you show them what you are truthfully, that person will relate to the true person you are in your heart of hearts. When you do that, you will be able to make that deep connection, guys. You will be able to connect so beautifully with that other person. So you just need to be confident today, guys. That is what this card is about, to make that intimate relationship. Confident about you, confident about what you are right now. So when you see your situation with confidence, you will be able to make this beautiful connection with this other person. And also in your work situation, whatever choices that you are making today, or however things are unfolding for you, you just need to understand that things are happening at the right time, guys. So whatever is destined to happen, that will surely happen. And also one more thing, this is a very auspicious card. The appearance of this card just means that new things are beginning in your life, guys. Just like I said, you are learning the truth, some kind of understanding you may be getting, some important communication is happening today. So again, here this guidance is about that. So you need to let that new things come towards you. You have to be open to that, to your present life, guys, and shun the past, whatever hurtful memories that you had. And that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. That's a reading. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.